Hi. I'm Eric, an automotive technician with 15 years of experience. This video is going to explain the meaning of this error code, and show you how to diagnose and fix it. The OBD-II fault code B00C7 means there is a problem with the passenger seat occupant position sensor, subfault. This sensor is responsible for detecting the position of the passenger and is crucial for the proper deployment of airbags in case of a collision. Loose or damaged wiring/connectors to the sensor. Use a multimeter to check for continuity and resistance in the wiring and connectors. Visually inspect the wiring for any damage or loose connections. Repair or replace any damaged wiring or connectors. Ensure all connections are tight and secure. Faulty sensor. Use a diagnostic scan tool to check for any fault codes related to the passenger seat occupant position sensor. Additionally, physically inspect the sensor for any damage. Replace the faulty sensor with a new one. Ensure the new sensor is properly calibrated and installed. If there are uncertainties, feel free to engage in discussions by leaving a comment. Alternatively, when facing difficulties, it is advisable to seek assistance from a professional auto repair shop and technicians. It is not recommended to handle it independently, especially when uncertain. Thanks for watching.